How to activate your Netspend gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually activate your Netspend gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to activate your Netspend gift card, all you have to do is first of all just go to netspend.com. Once you go to netspend.com, you'll see this type of interface where if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find this little link that says activate card, right? So all you need to do is just click on the activate card button over here. As you click on the activate card option, it will automatically take you to the next page where you can simply enter your card details. So just wait until the page has been loaded up, and then after the page has been loaded up, all you need to do is make sure to enter the card number as well as a security code. Then once you've done that, just click on the continue button. If your details are correct, your Netspend card will be successfully activated, and also make sure that you have logged into your Netspend account before you do all this process. And this is simply how you can activate your Netspend card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.